How to put restricted stock unit RSU sales in H&R Block. Let's get started. Before entering your RSU sales, collect the following information. Form 1099-B issued by your brokerage detailing the sale of RSU, including grant date, vesting date, and the number of shares vested. Confirm if the cost basis listed on your 1099-B is correct. If not, you may need to adjust it to include the income already reported on your W-2 for the shares fair market value at vesting. Navigate to the website H&R Block. Start a new return or continue an existing one. In the main menu, select Federal Taxes, Income, choose Investment and then Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, and Other Investments. Click Add or Edit under this section to begin entering RSU sale details. If your brokerage supports import, you can directly import the 1099-B to save time. Alternatively, select Enter manually to input details yourself. Enter the sale date, proceeds, and cost basis from your 1099-B. For RSU, ensure the cost basis includes the FMV at vesting. If not, adjust it manually. If your brokerage did not report the correct cost basis, check your W-2 for the income already reported for RSU. Calculate the adjusted cost basis at FMB at vesting into number of shares sold. Update the cost basis in H&R Block if it differs from the 1099-B information to avoid overpaying taxes. During the entry process, H&R Block may ask if the sale is related to RSUs. Indicate yes and provide additional details such as the vesting date and whether the shares were sold to cover taxes. Double check all details, especially the adjusted cost basis and sale proceeds. Ensure you don't double count the income already reported on a W-2. Save your progress and complete the remaining sections of your return. File a return electronically or print and mail if it's required. By carefully entering RSU sales into H&R Block and ensuring the cost basis is accurate, you can avoid double taxation and file your taxes confidently. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.